Well, it's Thanksgiving morning, and I figured my neighbor's gone. I may take a few minutes to do some cleanup while we get the turkey started. All the fixings. We've got the solar panel here, but it's not going to do much good today. It is gray out here, just gray. But the nice thing is it's cool. So I am going to take our temporary power here and turn on some AC. Let's see if we can get some light. Just curious if, yeah. It is getting 14 watts in, as you can see here. Let's see if I can bring that down there so you can see it. So that panel, even with all the shade today, is bringing in 14 watts. Now I'm using 21, so that's not great, but I won't be using it for long. It's not doing anything really. I'm just going to turn it off. But I wanted to bring you out here because this is the mess that we have. I'll probably time lapse this, but I'm going to get started on the cleanup here. And I'll stop and walk you through pieces of it. I think I may start by removing the cover on that door over there, because that will allow me to get some of this stuff from behind here out of here and clean up back there before I shift some of this stuff back. The floor here is nasty. It is covered in chewed up boxes and old sheetrock pieces. It doesn't look like this thing has been swept out in the entire time the renters were here. And I believe they did some type of construction, because there's a lot of old sheetrock and insulation type stuff here. So anyway, that's where we're going to start. I'm just going to leave this running. I'll time lapse through it, play you some cool music or something. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below. Be glad to answer them. All right, let's start over here on the side. So now we're going to see if we can clean some of this up. As you can see, it is one hell of a filthy mess. So I'm going to just start with the big stuff here and just see how much of it I can get. All right, a couple of scoops by the hand. That is the fastest way, I think. Get all this little. All right, the rest of this is really dust and dirt. Put it right here. Sweep off our brand new porch. There. Ta-da! Now we have our first piece of the floor that's clean and one huge mess to still contend with. All right, that's it for today. It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Be thankful for all you have. Thank you for all of you being here and watching. Have a happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you on the next episode.